Chief Minister Conrad K Sangma had inaugurated the College of Nursing at the Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital, Jaiaw, Shillong on the 8th of August 2022 in the presence of Minister of Education Lakhmen Rymbui. Delivering his inaugural address, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K Sangma, said that the Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital has over the years overcome the challenges with an objective of serving mankind with dedication. He also added that it is important for the hospital and the College of Nursing to produce nurses who will not only save lives but also make a difference in people's lives. He also assured of all help and support to the hospital and the college in its service to mankind and the society.
In terms of the professionalism we need to develop. And hence my suggestion to the college and the principal and the faculty here would be that apart from ensuring that we give the academic training and knowledge to them, we need to ensure that the standards of professionalism are at the international level. We need to look at all the aspects of care that the international market would want. Second thing we need to see is language proficiency. And it'll be great if the nursing college of Dr. H. Gordon Roberts Hospital can actually have an option of learning Japanese or Thai in the course of next 2-3 years as they do their BSc and others. And you can tie up with different institutes. As a government, we'd be happy to tie up and share. And also not just that, we'd be happy to link up with different countries like Japan. Especially Japan has asked India to send 10,000 nurses, and out of them, about 100-200 they had come and done an interview process and started training nurses in Japanese. But that's after they had already graduated. So while they are studying and nursing, it could go hand in hand.